After finishing my work training in Calgary, I had a little bit of time left before heading home, so I decided to make a quick trip to Edmonton to visit a very unique hobby shop. Edmonton is only a short flight away from Calgary, but with only half a day to explore, I have to plan my time wisely. The hobby store we're visiting today is actually inside the University of Alberta, and because it's summer break right now, the university is a lot emptier than usual. Nii G Shop is located inside this hub mall on the University of Alberta campus. And if you're planning to visit, there are 3 ways you can get here. This is the Uber and taxi drop-off area. I Uber here today because it's much easier with my luggage. Or, if you prefer public transit, you can take the bus or the LRT to the university station. Either way, they'll bring you to the hub mall. And we have arrived Nii G Shop. What's interesting about this place is those windows up there belongs to the university residents. After just a quick look around, I can already see why so many builders recommend this as one of Edmonton's top hobby stores. Xiao has been running Nii G Shop solo for almost 17 years. The website, online orders, shipments, and even organizing the whole store, everything is handled by him. Today, I get to be part of the team at Nii G Shop. This is my first time seeing these movable shelves in a hobby store, and I can't stop playing with it. I should probably stop messing around before Xiao kicks me out. This store might not be huge, but it's packed with Gunpla and plastic models, and it's one of the Plaquemine top-selling Gunpla store in Western Canada. The focus here is Gunpla plastic models and toys. You will also find tools, paints, and modeling supplies, action bases, and water decals. Their paint selection is pretty impressive. They carry a variety of paints, including lacquer, water-based, and enamel, along with metallic finishes, primers, top coats, weathering supplies, thinner, and markers. And of course, every hobby store needs a great tools section. They've got everything from basic tools to more advanced equipment for serious builders. This upper section of the store is for online pickups. They normally ship out the online orders within 24 hours during business days. Look at all these online orders. Because Nii G Shop is located on the university campus, the hours can be shorter during summer break and holidays. That's why many of their customers will shop online instead. Their private warehouse lets customers combine orders and store them up to 60 days. This is where they store online orders while customers continue adding items before shipping everything together. Orders over $300 get free shipping, or there's a flat rate shipping fee of $15 within Canada. Xiao is a Gunpla builder himself, and he understands that customers want to check out the condition of the kits before buying, so you're allowed to open one box at a time at this table before purchasing. And all these cardboard boxes you see around the store aren't trash. Xiao saves them, cuts them into the right sizes, and turns them into his own DIY painting stands inspired by the Mr. Hobby paint station. Instead of spending money on painting stands, you can drop by Nii G Shop and ask for some of these pre-cut cardboard pieces. Xiao will be more than happy to give you some so you can make your own. Alright, let's go through this quickly. The cardboard pieces for this Gunpla box are about 30 by 6 cm. As a reference, 30.5 cm is roughly the length of a typical high-grade inner box. The height will depend on the kit you're working on. Next, cut the top panel of the box to create an opening. Then simply slide the cardboard pieces into the slots. And that's it. Let me know if you guys want to see the full process again in another episode. I realized working here just one morning isn't as easy as I thought. Every morning, Shao comes in around 9 a.m. to take care of the online orders, preparing, packing, and shipping them out before opening the store. Seeing how much work happens behind the scenes really gave me a new appreciation for what it takes to run a hobby shop. And this is another storage room where he keeps most of his inventory. I was honestly surprised by how much he has in here. After spending a few hours here, I can really see why so many builders recommend Nii G Shop. It's not just about the kids, it's about the passion and the people behind the store that makes this place special. So if you're ever in Edmonton, definitely drop by Nii G Shop and say hi to Shao. And hey, don't forget to ask him for some of those cardboard pieces if you want to make your own paint stand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This store might not be huge, but it's This store might not be huge, but it's packed with Gunpla and plastic models, and it's one of the most. Shao is also a builder himself, and he let his customers to open his cut. Shao is